Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Get you guys a little bit of label action. So let's focus. This shoe reads the AJKO 1 Rush Orange and White Cell, aka the Jordan 1 KO Syracuse. Let me get out the one with the shoelaces on. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, I just got these to complete my KO collection, so I have some for sale as well. So if anybody's interested in any pairs, just let me know. Let's get this light out. Materials on this shoe are all a canvas material. You see in the Syracuse and white colorway, Syracuse mudguard, white background with the Syracuse Nike swoosh, white Jordan logo. Back of the shoe is all white with the orange Syracuse breakup. Same thing on this side of the shoe. All Syracuse orange bottom on Jordan 1 outsole. There's a light on, let you guys see it again. Let's get you a little bit of top action. See white toe box, Syracuse mudguard. This normal Syracuse Nike Air with orange shoelaces in the shoe. Extra pair of white laces in baggy. Like I said, to the Syracuse orange to the white. Back to the Syracuse orange again. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, materials are all denim, as most Jordan 1 KOs are. Okay guys, another look what the shoe's gonna look like when it's on your foot. Should you guys get a pair of these? Were you going for a pair of these? Are you interested in a pair of these? Let me know down below. Make sure mine are clean. Give you guys one more spin. You know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Above all else, make sure you guys have a nice day and stay safe.